and how can different technologies and tools of data analytics can push for your business growth and success. Machine learning. We talked about supervised machine learning in the last episode. Now, this episode, we'll talk about unsupervised machine learning. Can you give us a business use case?
Yeah, absolutely. So we had a magazine who used to sell advertising. Okay. So what happened is when you sell advertising, you create audiences, and those audiences are usually determined by the business, by the sales and commercial team. So they would say, we want to sell to this group, we sell to this group, and then the advertisers would buy those groups. Or the advertiser would say, we want this group to advertise our travel to, or we want this group to advertise our washing powder to. And then the business would create those audiences, but from a top down.
Okay.
And now what the problem with that is that if you're one magazine and you're using this logic, another magazine will use exactly the same logic. So what's the difference between you?
Right.
Okay, so the advertiser will just look for the cheapest.
Yes.
They will go, I'll go for the cheaper magazine. Why would I come to you? So what you want to do is create unique audiences that are based on the customers or the visitors that you have and the content that you have. So your magazine has different content, another magazine has different content. So we created an unsupervised machine learning algorithm that grouped customers organically or naturally based on what actual behavior they were doing on your website or on your magazine. Okay, when they were doing it, what time of the day they're doing it, how long they spent, and those are audiences or those segments or clusters that are unique to you because it's based on your website and your content. Your content doesn't exist in another website, so those audiences will behave very differently. So now you can go to the advertiser and you can say, I have this audience in this segment, and you can sell them differently. Another example is retailer. Okay, so retailers, for example, want to know how are customers using my product, or what kind of customers are buying my product. Okay, now normally we have a top down. So if I said to you, who buys washing powder? You're going to say housewives. Okay, but single men also buy washing powder. No. So now you want to group those people. They are demographically they're very different, but behaviorally they're very similar. So why would you send a washing powder advert or a promotion only to housewives or house husbands? You know, you may want to also send it to single people, single men, single women who live in their own apartment, who need washing powder. But what else do you need washing powder if you're alone?
So unsupervised machine learning help you to identify your niche customer base.
Niche, also it can help you identify, it's more identifying your unique customers.
Unique customers.
That are unique to you because they are behaving with your product, your services in your environment. Okay, so they're unique to you.
Excellent. So in your business, if you're grouping your customer from top down, you might be missing your vital customer base. And unsupervised machine learning is that answer to identify those groups and so that you can target them and push for your growth and sales. Thanks a lot for explaining.
Thank you.